All right, parents, we can admit it. It's sometimes more annoying to get your kid to do their chores than it would just be to do the chore yourself. But the thing is, having your children do chores is not just about helping around the house. It's about teaching them responsibility and personal accountability. Still, what if I told you there's a way to get your kid to look forward to their chores? To not just take a part of it because they have to, but because they want to. Yes, what I'm talking about is gamifying chores. What is gamification? Basically, gamification is the process of taking something boring, like doing the dishes, and adding point systems, rewards, and other things your child does for fun in order to make it engaging. Think about it this way. If your child is already spending time playing on their phone, doing things because they want to, why not take the strategies that companies are using to keep your child entertained and apply it to helping their future? Today, I'm going to be sharing some of the best apps, tools, and tricks to help gamify chore time for your child, to make them excited to help around the kitchen, bed, and bath. First up is Sweepy. Sweepy is like a game board for your home. You can assign chores to family members, track progress, and even score points for getting things done. This app also makes it super easy to divide up chores fairly, which means no more arguing over who has to take out the trash. Sweepy settles it for you. It's perfect for families who love a little structure but still want the fun game element. Plus, there's something so satisfying about seeing every task checked off. Next up is the app S'mores Up. S'mores Up is the best way to put the game in gamification, as it applies a point system to everything. For every chore they complete, they earn points, and then these points can be redeemed for rewards. Maybe it's extra screen time, a small treat, or even deciding where you go out for dinner. What I love about S'mores Up is that it turns chores into a friendly competition, making it perfect for families with lots of kids in the house. Kids can compete with their siblings to get their tasks done the fastest. The way it works is, once you download the app, you create a profile for every one of your family members, allowing you to assign chores and tasks to each person individually. From this area, you can send your family messages or post pictures to the family campfire. Also, the home area is a community board. This board is a place for S'mores users to post questions publicly to the family. Members of the community can comment and offer feedback, suggestions, and more. Look, kids are super motivated to do just about anything when they know there's pizza at the end of it. And as a bonus, it teaches them goal setting and prioritization. Now, aside from apps, another great way to set your child up for success is introducing them to stories early about getting chores done. For younger kids, I recommend stories such as Just Helping Dad. Plus, it comes with a fun interactive app. This interactive storybook introduces the concept of chores in a very relatable method. And it introduces the concept of responsibility in a way that's fun and engaging for toddlers and preschoolers. The story follows a character named Little Critter, who is attempting to do chores with his dad. And the kids can tap on different parts of the story to see animations and hear sound effects. It's a great starting point for building up positive associations with chores and helping them seem like something normal and even enjoyable. Introducing books like this early can help plant the seeds of a lifelong habit of pitching in and doing your part. Now, if you have an older kid, a great option can be introducing financial planning into their chore chart. And the way that I recommend doing that is through an app like Kiddie Kredit. This app takes the idea of a credit score and applies it to daily chores. The dashboard will include a list of personalized chores with the option to choose which days to complete them and the level of priority. Each child then logs into the app and marks each task completed once they are through. Parents can approve or deny them based on if they feel like their task was met successfully. Each chore has a credit tied to it, which is set by the parents. Many factors contribute to your child's credit score, just like an adult whose credit score is influenced by many things. The amount of time your child has spent completing the chore, the percentage of available credit, how much your child redeems versus how much they have stored, and credit reward requests are some factors that impact their score. Some great credit redemption ideas can include vacation plans, raised allowances, or more freedoms within the house, such as a later bedtime. This system adds an extra layer by teaching prioritization. Kids will learn to do what matters most when it is most appropriate. Why does this all matter? Beyond just getting the house clean, gamifying chores teaches kids responsibility, work ethic, and accountability. Plus, it cuts down on the constant stress when it comes to assigning chores and getting them to do it. If you're ready to give it a try, head over to smartbubblegum.com. We've listed out these apps and many more that can help take chore day to the next level. Let us know which ones you try, and I'll see you next week.